Relocating a business in Indiana, whether it's a retail space, warehouse, or office, commercial moves require more than just muscle. In this video, I'll share 5 non-redundant, must-know tips for a seamless business relocation in 2025. Your moving days shouldn't hurt your bottom line. Plan your relocation during non-peak hours, weekends, or even overnight to minimize downtime and avoid disrupting daily operations. Not all commercial movers handle IT systems. You need professionals who can disconnect, transport, and reconnect servers, workstations, and telecom systems without damaging data or delaying reopening. Every commercial space has different needs. A warehouse move requires lift equipment and inventory control. Office moves involve modular furniture and private documents. Make sure your movers have site-specific experience. You're not just moving boxes, you're moving your business's most critical assets. Confirm your mover carries commercial liability insurance, and ask if high-value or sensitive items need additional coverage. Disorganized unpacking wastes time. Use color-coded labels by department or floor, so movers know exactly where each item belongs. It speeds up your setup and keeps staff productive. Indiana businesses are growing and moving, but commercial relocation doesn't have to be chaotic. With the right mover and the right strategy, you'll be up and running with zero stress. Hit like if you found these tips useful, subscribe for more business move insights, and drop a comment below if you're planning a relocation in Indiana. We're here to help.